Myself, Redanko Kothamasu, student at KLU University, pursuing an MBA with specialization in finance and business analytics. My academic journey has been driven by strong passion in financial management, data-driven decision making, and innovative solutions for real-world challenges. During my internship at ICET Limited in the Department of Audits and Systems, I had a privilege in working in the RDS divisional audit, which provided me an ample opportunities and gained hands-on experience in financial reporting and financial exposure and corporate governance. Finance offers diverse opportunities for MBA graduates with analytical skills and strategic thinking. Finance roles are in high demand across various industries for corporate governance and banks. Thanks to KL University, and I am placed in a reputed organization. Thank you.